Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Squires Court, Canterbury Gardens in Salford to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 2-bedroom apartment, just a stone's throw from Ladywell Tram Stop, which provides direct access into Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head inside, we go into a walking entrance hallway. On your right, opens up into the stylish 3-piece bathroom. It's nice and modern. Straight over, we have the second bedroom, which is a good sized double and is currently in use as an office. On your next right, we open up to this lovely modern fitted kitchen. We have a lounge just through here, lounge diner should I say. And then there's really well presented communal gardens as well. And finally we have the main bedroom, which as you can see is a generous double. And you can see at the front we've got communal parking as well. This is a very popular development. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.